In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update and verify your bank account for Etsy payments in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy requires accurate bank details to send your payouts, and incorrect information can delay or block your deposits. Now, if you want to update and verify your bank account on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by going to the Etsy website or app and logging into your account. Next, open your shop manager from the top menu. After that, go to Finances and select Payment Settings. Then, find your bank details section and click Update or Edit. Now, enter your new bank account information, including your account number and any required details. After that, confirm your information carefully and save the changes. Then, complete the verification process if required. Etsy may ask you to verify your identity or confirm your bank using a test deposit or secure verification method. Next, wait for confirmation. In some cases, deposits may be temporarily paused for security reasons after updating your bank details. Keep in mind that your bank account must be in your legal name and match your Etsy account details exactly. Also, double-check all numbers before submitting, as even a small mistake can cause payout failures. That's it. By updating and verifying your bank account correctly, you can ensure smooth and uninterrupted Etsy payments.